I'm going to show you how to register a Binance account or how to register on Binance. First, you want to open up a browser on your device or phone and head to binance.com and press the search button. Now, once you're on the website, you want to press the sign up button here. And you can either type manually the email address that you want to use or your phone number instead without the country code. Or you can use one of these auto sign up options here. For example, with Google account or with Apple or with Telegram. Now, after entering your email, try to press continue button. I'm going to use the manual email option and then complete this CAPTCHA code or challenge by selecting whatever requested. Now they should send you a verification code to your email address, which you will need to enter here. And then press continue, and it should ask you to create a new password for your account. And now the sign up process should be done. Just press next here. Now it should prompt you to download the app when you're on a mobile device. And then you can proceed to sign in the app. Now once you're on the Binance app, just press the sign up login button here, which is the yellow one. And it should ask you to enter your email address. If you didn't use a manual email, you can basically use continue with Google or whatever option you chose. So I'm going to enter my email here and press continue and then enter my password. Now if you sign up for the first time on a new account, they will basically prompt you to verify your account and then ask you to enter your details for the residence, document issuing country, and choose a document type to complete the verification process. So for example, here you can choose driver's license, national ID card, or passport, and then press continue. And it should ask you to upload photos of the front and the back of the ID, usually, and then ask you to take a selfie or a picture of yourself. And then you can press continue, and this will guide you through the upload process. As you can see here, you can upload the front of your document and here the back. You can take pictures outside, so you can go back here and open up the camera. Take the photos of the documents. Make sure it's clear and all sides are visible of the front and the back, and then upload them individually on the specified boxes. Then press continue and take a picture of yourself. And then that will send them the documents when you press continue, and they should get back to you within 1 day maximum to verify your identity and basically verify your account. And then you can start using your Binance account. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.